to show you the secret formula of how this client went from this to this using our proven process. All right, so I want to show you where this client got started and where they are now. So as you can see right here, here's their credit analysis. Here's a breakdown of their overall report, right? Equifax, it came to us, Equifax at 702, Experian at a 670, TransUnion at a 680, right? You see accounts, they got 21 accounts on Equifax, Experian has 13, TransUnion has 12, right? Now, you're probably wondering why Equifax have more accounts than Experian than TransUnion. It's all a part of how the accounts are being reported, because some accounts don't report to all three credit bureaus and vice versa. So there's some accounts that might just report on Equifax and Experian but doesn't report on TransUnion, or some accounts report on TransUnion but don't report to all three. So that's all part of the process. Or some accounts got removed off of Equifax or removed off of Experian, TransUnion, but still report on. You see, so that's how the reporting looks sometimes. So I just want you to understand. Now, inquiries, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, public records. There's no public records. There's one collection on Equifax. There's a few on 3 on Experian, and there's 3 on TransUnion. And then positive account 17, 5 negative, 12 on Experian, positive 7 negative, 680 with a 10, positive 5, and their utilization, right? 83% utilization. So as far as like fixing credit, right? You can get everything removed, but if you don't take care of the utilization part of your credit score, you're still going to have bad credit. So this is also an important factor of your overall credit score, because utilization makes up 30% of your credit score. So yes, we're talking to the client that, hey, as we're working together as a team, the credit team, right? We're working together as a team. We're doing our part, but you also got to do your part as well. So when we're doing our part, helping you craft the letters so you can knock the credit bureaus out, you also got to do your part as far as, and I'm not saying take care of the utilization overnight, right? Every month, can you pay down 1% or pay down a little bit more until you get to a good enough spot to where it's at, of course, below 30, then below 10, then at 0, and you're not really leveraging your utilization, okay? So that process is going to take time, of course, depending on, the money coming in, what you have going on, your cash flow, everything. We also, see what's going on as far as like derogatory accounts. So as you can see right here, they have 14 items on their report, and that's not saying they have 14 items on each report like you saw before. It's just saying overall we got to remove 14 things off of this report. And of course, some are reported on Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Everybody doesn't communicate with each other, so we have to knock out each credit bureau at a time. So that's what their credit is, what it came to us. Now, I want to show you the results after the first round. 9 things got removed, 33 are ongoing. We're cleaning up their personal information, removing their inquiries and things. That's why you see like 33. It wasn't like they had 33 negative items. We're also fixing up their personal information, their addresses, their phone numbers, getting things removed as well. So that's all part of the process, as well as cleaning up, because when a lender or somebody looks at your report, you want to make sure that you look lendable. You want to make sure that you look stable. You don't want to have all these different addresses on your report. Or is this person like unstable because they have address here, here, here. So you want to just have one name, one address, one phone number, one job history on your report, right? Now, as you can see, a 59-point increase on Equifax, 81-point increase on Experian, 59-point increase on TransUnion, right? Now, everybody's profile, everything happens a little bit different for every person. That's why nobody can guarantee results as far as credit, because we don't know what's going to happen. But we do know if we do this process over a period of time, leveraging the laws, leveraging the compliance procedure that Experian, TransUnion have to follow, you're going to see an improvement. And the overall goal is to get improvement every single month. But I want you to understand this. If you don't see a credit score improvement, but you got things removed, that's a win. And overall, like later on, you're going to see a big jump once you, of course, take care of the utilization and get everything removed off, your report. Now, I want to show you. So remember, they was at 83%. Now they're at 10. Big jump, right? Took care of a lot of 73% of their utilization. So that's like great as far as getting things paid down as far as utilization. So this is like very important as well, like I said earlier, to take care of utilization. Now let's go over the next month. Now, as you can see, the next month, we only got one item removed, and then we're waiting on the results for this month. We're still in the process, waiting for the correct amount of days to re-pull the report and show them what got removed, what didn't. So a 5-point decrease, 9-point increase, 4-point increase, right? So steady going up, but we got a -5, but that's all part of the process, right? And then one item got removed off this round. And as you can see, 5 new items, probably hard inquiries or something came on their report, right? Not going to get too much in depth in that. Now, I want to show you their utilization. Remember, we was at 10. Now they're at 8% average, okay? So, like I said before, just continue taking care of your credit card utilization, right? It don't have to be an overnight thing. It don't have to be a 1-month thing. Can we get it down 1 or 2%? Or 3 to 4% down, and then the next month a little bit more down, then the next month a little bit more down. All right. Now it all depends on your goal, like how fat or how quick you want to take care of your credit card utilization. So if you're trying to get a house, or if you're trying to get funding, if you're trying to get certain things, you want to be you could be very aggressive as far as utilization, taking care of that. So once everything gets improved in your credit score, you see overall balance of your credit score, utilization is down, items is off, and then you can probably go get some funding depending on where you're at, right? So I just want to show you. Here is the letter that we crafted in the first round, right? The first process of disputing. So as you can see, here's an example. This is, how our system work is we add the actual account on the report, and then we say, hey, delete this account due to depends on how we word it, but every round is a little bit different. What we add or what we say, and we send over to the client depending on where they're at in the process. But usually the first round is kind of the same with everybody. But as you can see, the account right here, right? Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, most of the time has the open date last active, date of last payment. All these things are incorrect, and we delete this account because it's not assuring maximum possible accuracy, right? And as you can see in the first round, usually we get some good results, and then the next round it just varies, and then the next round continue, right? But this is how you want to craft your letter in the first round. Now, if you want me to, let me show you how to do this yourself. So if you want to do it yourself, you can do it. Or if you want me and my team to do this for you, I'll show you how to sign up to become a client completely for free. All you got to do is just do one thing. It will help you craft the letters every single round so you don't have to think about it. The next process, if you want to do this yourself, all you got to do is upload your report. Now, once you upload your report or upload screenshots of your report, and you can go to hiddencreditreport.com, become a free, but sign up for Smart Credit, just $1 trial. And then you'll be able to go to reports. Then you click on 3 bureau reports and score. Then you click on switch to classic view. That whole entire process is when you go inside of Smart Credit, right? Go to hiddencreditreport.com, become a client with Smart Credit. Once you're logged in, whether you're on your desktop or you're on your phone, you're going to see reports. And then once you click on report tab, it's going to say 3 bureau reports and scores. Click on that. Then you're going to click the switch to classic view. Then you're going to screenshot all those negative accounts holding your credit score back. And then you're going to put in this prompt right here. Act like a world-class credit repair expert with 20 plus years and find violations according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is the FCRA and Metro 2 compliance. Okay? And then from there, what's going to happen is it's going to analyze the report. And then once they analyze the account, it's going to find the violations. It's going to find the compliance procedure or the compliance that is messed up as far as Metro 2, and then it's going to find all the violations. And then once you do that, you're going to tell ChatGPT to craft you a letter for Experian, TransUnion, Equifax to remove this account based off the violations, okay? And that's all you have to do every single round. Now, if you want to learn what to do from round 2 to 12, step by step, completely for free, all you got to do is just watch that video right here. I'm going to break down the whole entire process of how to knock the credit bureaus out.